This unicorn fluff is so easy to make and so much fun, it'll make you giggle.
Abby here. And we're going to make unicorn slime fluff. And it's magical. Okay, so we have 4 ingredients. So we have blue, eye solution, and soup cream.
And if you want to color it, you can use some type of coloring. So there's 8 ounces of glue.
Come on, Abby.
Got to get every last drop.
Come on, Abby, go.
So this step is very important. If you want to put coloring in it, you must color the glue first. If you don't color the glue first and try to add the color in after you put the shaving cream in, it will not stick. So we're going to add the color next. First we swirled in some blue. Next, we swirled in some pink. Now, blue and pink make purple, so this may not stay swirled. It may turn. We're experimenting with different types of coloring. The first time we made slime, we used Jell-O mix. This time, we actually used a paint, and as you can see, she blended it in, so it's more of a purpley color.
I need 3 cups of shaving cream.
3, so we're gonna do 1 at a time. So shake it up first before you squeeze it.
I mean, I want to try it.
Let her do it. All right, squeeze it in.
Whoa, guys, look
All right,
at that.
stop for a minute. Let it puff up. A few minutes to puff.
You know what makes it smell good? The shaving cream.
It does.
Yes.
Okay, add a little bit more in there.
Can I try it? No, Lex. Whoa! Look at that.
Now we add the first cup of shaving cream.
Here we go.
That is like a cup and a half. We have to add 3 cups. So that's a cup and a half. Cup and a half. Now let go because you know it's going to puff up.
Whoa.
It grows. Okay, dump it in. Girls, fold it.
Oh, yeah.
Mix it. Sure, we'll take turns. Oh, wow, that's gorgeous. Remember, scrape the sides, right?
Yes, or else it will be really sticky, and then you won't be able to get it out of, but all of it will be stuck to the
It's
bottom.
a beautiful light pink.
This is my favorite color.
5+ tablespoons. So you start off with 3, keep mixing it, then you add 2 more, keep mixing it, and you will see if you need more or not. Go ahead, Lexi. No.
Okay, put
Over
the
the bowl.
eye in. Susan in here. That's enough.
No, keep going. It's not filled to the top yet. Keep going. There's 1. You want me to squeeze and you hold?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's 2. And let's put 3.
Whoa.
And you are going to see in a few minutes the magic of the fluff start to happen. We will show you. Good. All right, now let your sister mix. Scrape the sides. You can see that instead of it being airy and puffy, it's starting to get a little gummy. You can see it's starting to stick.
And it's kind of like cotton candy.
Yes, go around and you'll see. There we go. All right, so we still have to add 2 more tablespoons. So now it has formed into fluff. And Lex is going to turn it out onto the countertop and start massaging it with her hands. Woo! Look at that. Woo! It's always good to use a silicone spatula.
Now the part that we need to tell you, it doesn't say fluffy fluff.
You don't put it inside a container, it will dry out.
Well, like I did because the lecture was out and then I left it out by accident.
Yes. But look how cool that is!
Put in, guys, you want me
It is so easy and it is the best.
Let me show you something. Ready? Okay. Ready? See? I made a bubble.
Oh my God, stick your fingers in it. Oh.
Oh, yes.
And it makes so much. Look at the bubbles that it makes. Wow. Now pop it. It's the coolest, right?
Yes.
And it's a gorgeous pink. Looks like cotton candy.
Hold on, guys. You know what would be cool?
What?
Ready? Now it's going to be a swirl.
Love it.
It makes a quick sound.
It's gorgeous.
It's very easy to make. This is how you make unicorn slime, Fluff. And make sure you subscribe and share.
Oh my goodness.